ya. I feel like y'all forgot about me. Maybe it's my fault, right? But I told ya.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my video. My name is Morningstar, and I'm here to do another DIY. I am in the process of repairing a floor that has water damage and mold in the kitchen area. So this is the finished project, but roll along with me as we go ahead into the project, where it is a soft spot, and she also had a piece of wood there. So I removed that wood and I cut around where I felt that it was soft. And so this is what I came up with. I did cut it. She does have water damage there. I was told that there was a pipe leaking from under the sink that has been fixed, but the floor hasn't been fixed. So you see there's a lot of mold buildup, and it does cause a lot of problems with your breathing and respiratory, and especially being a senior, this is not good for her. So these are just small fixes, but she does have a lot of problems going on here that can be affecting her health. So I am taking a look under the sink, and I see that the pipes have been replaced under there, so there's no more leaking under there. But of course the wood and everything has been rotting. Again, it is not no plywood that is placed on these mobile home floors. So it does definitely weaken over time, and it starts to disintegrate, as you saw that was in the closet. So the leak problem right there is no longer a problem for her. Right now it's just fixing that floor. So I brought it back as much way I thought I should be able to remedy the problem for the moment. Now what we're looking at is her laundry room. She does have a grandson that stays there. It's not really been helping, and it's unfortunate. He's not doing any type of repairs. So if you see there are pieces of wood that are placed in, it's not been replaced. So she asked if I was able to fix the laundry room, and that's my objective. I hope at the end of this project she would love it. So if you're interested in this project, I will provide the link, and it will be located in the description section, and I truly appreciate it. I do have my handy dandy reciprocating saw. So what I'm going to do is start by figuring out where is my beam, and I can figure that out by the staples that's in the ground here. So this is one of my beams, and this is another one of my beams. So, and then I'll just cut my way backwards and cut my way that way, continue so I can find my beam. So right now you see I just cut a line, and then I'm just going to draw a little circle in the middle just to give me some room to take a peek on the inside, and making sure there are no electrical lines or wires that are running across. So that's what I did, and I'm going to take my flashlight eventually. First I got to change my blade, but I'm gonna have to take my flashlight and take a peek in there. I'm looking for it, but I realize it is on top of the counter next to me. So Here I go, taking a look, making sure my coast is clear. Don't want to get electrocuted. Don't want to cut nothing down there that don't need to be cut. So I'm going to remove that piece and I'm going to take a peek under there too. So I'm going to fire my flashlight and try to make sure to see exactly where that cross joint is at. So when I do continue to cut, I'm making sure I'm not cutting the cross joints or cutting any electrical lines. So I finally finished up. I repaired that floor. I had some more support. I actually used some caulking just to close up these gaps, little gaps. Oh. So this is the finished project. I hope you enjoyed riding along with me and remedying this project. It's a small area, and yes, I understand it's small, and then there's definitely a lot more that needs to be done. So I will have the link to this laundry room, and if you will just please like, share, comment, I would truly appreciate all your support. Thank you so much, and until then, so long for now.